and welcome to my garage. We're having video issues. We are working on the 07 Dodge Nitro. The rear hatch latch will not function right, so we are replacing it. As you can see, you got your little locks, your alignment pins, and you got them all the way around after you pull those bolts out of there, okay? Remember that. And now we have, I'm not sure, might be 21. 21's right here. Let's see. 21's right here. I got lucky in the same ones. Yeah, good enough. Alright, we don't want to lose them. Stay tuned. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Comes out. Alright. Should be quick. There's your locking device. You gotta undo your little cable here and then pop it back in. Okay, here we go. Little cable goes in there. It pushes in, and then you're going to spin up, and then that's going to lock around the outside of that. Then you got your I'm not sure which one this is, but you got a little bit of corrosion in there. I hope that's not going to affect it any. And then there isn't any on that one, but those are your plugs. The white one goes in here. Yeah, so there's a little bit of corrosion on that. And then the other one is right here. A little bit of corrosion on that too. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, now it's going to be exactly the exact same way as you pulled it out. Put your plugs back in. Like a little bit of corrosion in this one too, so I spray something in there, get those cleaned out. Some over here. They're pretty wasted, but at least mechanically. The only thing is, if doing that, you're going to wind up with a freaking light on your dash saying that the door is open. Alright, we're back. Got our screws in. Got everything plugged in. I'm using a 27 T27 for those bolts. Now I just get the interior trim back on. Okay, actually, let's go and see if it'll shut. There we go. Beautiful, huh? Now see if we can open it. There we go, she popped. There we go. So there we are. So let's put this interior back on, and we're done. I'm gonna spray the heck out of that thing with some more blaster, and should keep it lubed up. All right, now question is, will that hatch lock? Okay, so I just locked that. I just noticed this one's missing. It won't lock. Great. All right, so let's see if it'll lock. Yep, isn't that cool? It's in my case. Let's see if it'll unlock. Awesome. Awesome. All right, so I think everybody else locked too. All right, thanks for watching. If you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll catch you on the next Dana's Garage. And this was replacing the rear hatch door latch.